Let's learn how to create an ad for a magazine. In this case, we're going to use a real location. This is the route of the Hiawatha. It's on the Montana-Idaho border. It's an incredible bike trail. I've never been there, but I'm excited to try it out someday. In the meantime, we're going to learn how to work with assets from a real location, how to use a branding that's already been set in place, and create an advertisement for this magazine. Right here called Flathead Living. So this is a real magazine. This is the spring edition that's already out. So you can see what the cover looks like. You can see this is a vertical ad. It's kind of tough to see, but it's kind of an editorial lifestyle magazine. There's a better shot of this tall vertical ad we can create. Or maybe we'll do a full page ad. Here's an example of the ad on the back of the magazine. And so we're going to gather some assets. I've already collected some text that we're going to use for this ad, as well as the dimensions that are required for this magazine. So we'll look at ad specs and following along a very detailed outline of what the ad has to be in order to work with their publication. It's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to learn a lot of great tips and tricks along the way. So let's go ahead and dive right in.